Deontay Wilder nagbigay ng babala kay Joseph Parker. Sa tagal ng pananahimik ni Deontay Wilder, muli nung malasap niya ang 2 talo kay Tyson Fury, ay muli na naman itong tatapak sa ibabaw ng ring sa December 23 sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Confident si Deontay Wilder at nagbabala ito kay Joseph Parker na pag natikma ni Parker ang kamao niya, tiyak na mag-change daw agad ng game plan itong si Parker dahil sa ibabato niyang malalakas na suntok, at pag nakipagsabayan daw si Parker sa apoy, tsak na knockout ang aabutin sa kanya. At si Deontay Wilder talaga ang may upper hand sa laban na to dahil sa malakas na pinapakawalan nitong mga suntok. May record na 43 wins, 42 dito win by stoppage at 2 talo kay Tyson Fury. Yan lang, olat siya lagi kay Tyson Fury. Kahit ganon, maraming prediction na si Deontay Wilder daw ang mananalo sa laban sa December 23 at betting favorite po si Deontay Wilder lamang na lamang. Sa ibang topic na naman po tayo, pero tungkol pa rin kay Deontay Wilder. Pinangahawakan pa rin ni Deontay Wilder na si Tyson Fury ay nandaya sa laban nila. Talagang di pa makamove on si Deontay Wilder sa 2 talo niyang laban kay Tyson Fury. Laging may excuses itong si Deontay Wilder kung bakit siya natalo kay Tyson Fury. Mataas pa rin ang pride at ego nito. Pinakaunang laban nila noong 2018, nagtapos ito sa 12 rounds split draw decision, at muli naman itong nag-rematch noong 2020. Pinabagsak ni Tyson Fury si Deontay Wilder ng 2 beses. Nagtapos ito sa 7th round at one-sided ang naging laban nilang dalawa. Kumbaga, pinulbos at nilampaso ni Tyson Fury si Wilder. At naglaban na naman sila sa 3 pagkakataon. Panalo pa rin si Tyson Fury at nagtapos ito sa 11th round, at di matanggap ni Deontay Wilder ang pagkatalo niya. Meron siyang allegation kay Tyson Fury na nandaya daw ito sa laban nila. Kiniklaim niya may manipulated na nilagay si Tyson Fury sa gloves kaya natalo siya sa laban. At kahit lumipas na ang ilang mga taon, si Deontay Wilder remains firm sa allegation niya at di pa makamove on, at bukang bibig niya lagi si Tyson Fury ay nandaya sa laban nila. At sa opinion ko, is just an excuses. Hindi lang talaga matanggap ni Wilder ang pagkatalo niya at ma-pride. Even Joe Rogan explain na it's a fair fight. Walang dayaang nangyari. At yung pinakita daw na video ni Deontay Wilder, pruweba na may inilagay na matigas na bagay sa gloves. It's not convincing.
You really think he's doing that?
I think so. I mean, I have heard.
Yeah, I've seen the Deontay Wilder videos, but they're not convincing. Here's why. They're showing those videos in slow motion. Yeah. And in slow motion, it looks like his glove is flopping all over the place.
Yeah.
But that's just because it's in slow motion. When you watch him boxing, he's doing this. You know, he flicks. He shows you it, pop, and then he drops a big punch in.
But
so in slow motion, it looks like it's all floppy, like it's not connected. And you think that the gloves are really like just flopping around, and where his knuckles are is where the wrap is. But that's not the case, because if you look at the length of his arm,
yeah,
none of that makes sense.
But his opponent complains about his gloves.
Yeah, I don't know if they're right.
I mean, they might not be.
I don't know if they're right.
We have to check that.
Yeah, well,
we have
I'm
to
sure.
check that.
I think it's legit. I think he's legit. I just think he's that good.
No, he's good. He's good.
And his style of like
yeah.
keeping that hand loose and flicking. So sometimes that wrist opens way up, and if you look at it in slow motion, people are like, look, his glove's not even attached. His glove's attached. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about, because after he does this, he does this. There's no way he's doing this if his glove's not attached. It's attached. He just looses his hands, because a lot of his punches, he's just showing you things. He's showing you things. Bang! He's showing you this, and then he's doing all this. So a lot of it is loose, and he's just popping you with that, like a whip.
He's a liar, talks out of his rear end, that's why his breath stinks. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, what can you do with a man like that? You know, how can you cheat 3 times? It's ridiculous what he's saying.